Hello, and welcome to my channel. I'm the Coins Monster. What's up, guys? Thank you for tuning back in. Today, I'm going to be discussing with you one of my favorite projects in cryptocurrency, and that is Polkadot. Okay, now at this stage of this bull run, we all know about what it is. Okay, so I'm not going to waste a lot of your time doing a deep dive into it, but I will definitely speak about the basics. My main focus, though, is the charts. Okay, using technical analysis, I'm going to make a price prediction where I see Polkadot in the short term, mid term, and for the remainder of this bull cycle, so mid to long term. Okay, remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so I will not give you any investment recommendations. All right, this is strictly for educational purposes. Let's get into it. Polkadot. DOT is a flagship project designed by a Swiss foundation, and the idea behind it is to have a decentralized Web3 solution for blockchains. Okay, so you can build your projects on the DOT ecosystem. Okay, and it will still be more faster, scalable, more economical, and more community driven in comparison to the other blockchains like Ethereum's. All right, as you can see closely here, easy, innovative blockchain. Create a custom blockchain in minutes using a substrate framework. Connect your chain to Polkadot and get interoperability and security from day one. This ease of development helps Polkadot network grow. So there will be a lot of people building the projects on the DOT network, but essentially the way it works is that Polkadot's networks is capable of using the arbitrary data. Okay, so they don't just use the tokens, they use the actual data, which makes it possible for the data to go from a private blockchain even to a public blockchain. Okay, and you have all these great oracles like Chainlink making this happen. Okay, it's definitely worth a look into. Okay, now one other thing I want to remind you guys is the parachain auctions. All right, if for example I have 100 DOT that I do decide not to sell for the years to come, what I will do is I'll pick one of any exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, Kraken, and I will select the time period that I wish to stake it for example 36 months. Okay, so for those 36 months my 100 DOTs will be staked, and I will get rewarded in pre-sale tokens on projects like Akala, Moonbee, Mover, because we all saw how Mover did throughout this bull run, right? So it's definitely worth looking into. Now, let's get into the TA quickly. Now, on my screen, you have a daily chart on Polkadot. Okay, what I see right off the bat here is that this needs to accumulate a bit more, and if I zoom into a 4-hour time frame, what I currently see, it's doing the same pattern as a Bitcoin, as I shown in my videos 2 days ago. It's performing an ABC correction right here. There's the ABC correction. Okay, so we got the A, B, and the C. C is always deeper than the A level, but mainly because it has a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 legs down. So it's already done the 1, 2, 3, 4. It broke the 2, and now most likely it comes back down for the final leg, right? The reason why I say this is because its pattern is not yet complete. Okay, so I personally need 3 touches on either sides of the pattern. So currently, as you can see, we have 2 here and 2 here. Now, with the C wave and the 5th wave that is coming down, in my opinion, I can see DOT using the Fibonacci, it can come back down to between $19 and $22. Okay, so this is the range I'm looking at, the 886 fib and the 786 fib. These are classic fib levels where institutions most likely make their purchase. Also, if you notice, this price will be a higher low from this price, which is actually very bullish. Okay, it just sounds, if I'm calling for a price down on DOT, it doesn't mean I'm bearish on it. It's what the chart is showing me. Okay, so midterm, what I would expect is for the chart to accumulate a little bit more DOT, any sort of price action before it blasts off to the upside. Okay, in long term, I believe that DOT can actually get to $200 a coin. Most people don't know that DOT in August of 2020 was already $300 a coin. That was before its 100-to-1 split. Okay, so I have no doubt in my mind that over the course of time can actually get back to those prices. Now, using Fibonacci's, the price prediction for this cycle on Polkadot will be anything between $150 and $250 a coin, $265. This is the range that I would look to sell my DOT if I were to trade. Okay, as you can see here at the top trend line, we have the 1, 2, 3 touch, and these top trend lines act as resistance, which are fairly strong. Okay, so now this is the current channel Polkadot is in, and I do expect this price, you see, it's a call for $19 and $22. It'll be very close to this bottom of bottom trend line with a double bottom and then eventually break out. So price prediction, $145 and $265. That is realistic for the remainder of this bull cycle. People believe it's the Ethereum killer and can go to $1,400 a coin. Well, it very well can. Personal opinion, it needs a lot of time because Polkadot still has a working improvement structure to get to Ethereum's level. Alright, now hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Remember, do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified of my upcoming videos. Thank you. Stay safe, stay blessed.